this is Sheetal. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy remedy that is going to be wonderful if your skin tends to be oily or combination, if open pores are an issue, and also if there are issues around unevenness or dark spots or dullness of skin. But before we do that, I'm going to say hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, and of course share your comments with me below. So for this remedy, the first ingredient is Fuller's Earth. And Fuller's Earth in Hindi is called Multani Mitti. It's a wonderful source of minerals. It has deep skin detoxifying properties, skin firming properties, skin tightening properties. And as a matter of fact, when I was a little girl, I used to use Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth a lot in these homemade face masks, since I was always very interested in my skin being ultra beautiful and glowing, and of course I wanted to do it naturally. So that's a little story that I definitely wanted to take a moment and share with you. So while I was doing that, I was also adding about a tablespoonful of Fuller's Earth as the first ingredient of this home remedy. Now, ingredient number 2 is nutmeg powder. And nutmeg in Hindi is called youthful. It's a very easy to procure, very easily available cooking spice. And if you're wondering why nutmeg, in Ayurveda, it's been known to have phenomenal skin balancing properties. So if the skin is oily, combination acne prone, then it can offer it some natural antibacterial, antibiotic properties too, so your skin can calm down and be radiant and glowing at all times. So here's the third ingredient, and that is fresh lemon. I just picked this lemon from my lemon tree in my garden this morning, so it's pretty fresh, and we're going to use about 10 to 12 drops. Now, you don't want to overdo lemon because it is a source of citric acid, it is acidic, and if you use it without diluting it or without properly measuring it, then you can leave your skin irritated, so don't do that. So just 10 or 12 drops. Now we are ready to make a thick paste, and we are going to use plain water. If you have rose water, that is an excellent option. So for this one, I'm just going to use plain water to make a thick paste. And you want to start small in case you add too much. It's impossible to minus, but adding is very easy. So start small. Okay, a thick paste is formed. So now it's time to apply it on your skin. And before I do that, I will say you can use it 1 to 2 times a week. That's more than enough. And then in about 12 or 15 minutes, you're going to wash it off with lukewarm water. And then you're going to use your toner, serum, and lotion. Do not forget that if you are serious about glowing skin that is also spotless and firm, then having a daily skincare routine is not optional. A daily skincare routine is made of 4 steps. The first one is cleansing your skin or washing it with a high quality cleanser slash face wash. Then you tone it, use a few drops of a serum meant for your skin type, and then you use a little bit of lotion also meant for your skin type. Oh, by the way, get to your neck also. Always use a home remedy as well as a daily skincare routine on your neck also. So this home remedy is on my skin now, and I should tell you that I forgot to say take off any makeup that you might have before you put this remedy on. So I really hope that you enjoyed the remedy. In case you were wondering what my favorite Apsara serum is, because a lot of you have asked me, I will say it is Apsara's Sweet Almond and Wheat Germ Serum, which I use twice a day, every day. So visit us at apsaraskincare.com. Hope you enjoyed this remedy. Put it together for yourselves and go natural. It is good karma.